So open houses, they can be a fantastic way to market your property when they're done correctly, but it can sometimes be overdone. We recommend doing an open house once every month, but I'm certainly not one of these agents that likes to do an open house at a property every single weekend, because I think that can actually have detrimental effect on the amount of showings that you receive. Now remember, doing an open house shouldn't be an agent just sticking a sign out in the yard. It should be part of a dynamic plan which has multiple layers of marketing to ensure that we get as many people through that open house as possible. When we do an open house, we want it to be busy. We want people to be constantly coming through the door, and you're only going to get that by correctly marketing the property, which should also be a part of the overall marketing plan when a property is listed on the market. But this is really important. The reason that I don't like to do them too often is because I don't want for anybody to come to an open house that would have been setting up a regular showing. I would rather have the regular showings because we can gauge interest far better by knowing how many showings we're getting and what the feedback of those showings are. So in conclusion, open houses can absolutely enhance the chance of you finding that perfect buyer for your property. Give me a call, let's sit down and have a conversation. Ryan Skripkowski with Coldwell Banker and the RSTS Group. You guys have an amazing day.